Welcome back to another video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, my name is Austin. I love everything outdoors, hunting, camping, fishing. Mainly stick to just getting out in my Nissan Frontier with my rooftop tent and just enjoying nature. So today I figured it would be a good time to go over my camp kitchen setup. So everything that I need in order to cook a meal is right here in this box here. So the box is actually a Magellan, got it at Academy, 50 bucks. And it contains everything that I need, like I said. So we're gonna get into this. All right, so taking a look inside the box here, you'll see at the very top these two zippered pouches. In these pouches, I have some freeze-dried meals. This one is a Mammo's Camp Kitchen freeze-dried meals. But I always like to have some sort of freeze-dried meal, whether it be, like I said, Mammo's, Peak, Backpackers Pantry, or Mountain House. I like to have those in there, so the only thing I need to do is make sure I have water with me, and all I have to do is bring this, and then I'll be able to eat. So with that, I also have in this pouch my pots and pans. It comes with the large pot, a medium pot, also has a skillet with the collapsible and removable handle. Pots and pans have been awesome, and they're really small and fit in this box perfect. Another thing is my coffee yard foldable camp stove. Now this thing has been awesome. It works really well. Haven't had any problem with the burners or the starters or igniter. It's worked perfect for me so far, which has been great. Another thing that I do want to say is none of this stuff is sponsored. I paid for it all on my own, aside from the stove here. That was a gift from my mother-in-law for Christmas a couple of Christmases ago. So next thing, you'll see this removable tray here, okay? And in this removable tray, I have measuring cups. We have our spices. I have plastic bags with plastic bags, some liquid IV, a ferro rod, and some camp soap. So, yeah. Like to have all that stuff with me. As I'm going through this, if you could think of anything that I've missed or you have in yours, go ahead and throw it down in the comments below. That would be awesome. So in this box, I have a divider, and on the opposite side of that divider, I have my Aeropress, which if you watched my last video, you saw that I had a little bit of a mishap with this bad boy, but you know what? Go to that video, find it, and go ahead and make fun of me for it. Roast me. Make me feel much better. Also keep some coffee in there. Right now this is just a Cafe Mexicano Mexican blend. It's been pretty good. Keep 2 of the green propane canisters. Got to keep that stove fed. More freeze-dried meals. Also I have a stainless steel insulated koozie for all your beverages. You gotta have that. And then I also have this camp kitchen kit from GSI. Got this at Costco a while back, and it has everything that you could possibly need out camping and cooking. So that's been pretty awesome. Now that's I usually have a mug in here, but I guess I didn't make it back in there since last camp to clean it. But what you see here is what you get. So it's short, sweet, simple, very simple to the fact to make it simple to get out, right? So that was the whole idea of this, is pick up the box, throw it in the truck, and then I'm able to go camp. So like I said earlier, if you can think of anything that I'm missing, put it in the comments below. Let me know what I should add or maybe take out. I also will have most of this stuff linked in the description below to Amazon. So if you see anything in here that you might want to pick up, go ahead and go down there and hit that link. It'll help the channel a little bit so I can get out and do more of these videos. But I want to thank you for watching. If you would like, comment, and subscribe, that would be awesome. You guys have a good one.